need your space, then pull me close. I read your silence, louder than most. One day you're warm, the next day you're cold. Got me second guessing what I already know. I give you love, but you ration yours. You open up just to close the door. I stay up late, trying to read your mind. I can't read your mind, but your love got rules that change all the time. Why are you always halfway in? Got me drowning when I know I could swim. If you love me, baby, say it with your chest. Yeah, I'm tired of the maybes. I just want a yes. Don't play me like a song on a spin.
Everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is another vlog about our family vacation, and in the vacation how I try to stay on track with my eating habit, like a keto, low carb or whole food that I follow, and also my fun exercise, fun activities with my kid, and how we try to stay in healthy habit to maintain our weight loss and to maintain our healthy lifestyle. So I will love if you give a comment. If you have any question, ask in the comment. Please like, if you like this kind of video, please subscribe and share with your friends and family. And I will love to hear from you. I will love to read your comments, and I will come back in my next video. So let's get into it. Sorry. সুন্দর রুবেন, wow, wow, সুন্দর তো, সুন্দর তো। I forgot to take video before. This is how I packed my luggage in a carry-on bag. So I have all my bottoms here, and my tops are here, and my underwears are here. So this is how I organize my cloth while I'm traveling, and some extra clothes here.
You say you need your space, then pull me close. I read your silence, louder than most. One day you're warm, the next day you're cold. Got me second guessing what I already know. I give you love, but you ration yours. You open up just to close the door. I stay up late, trying to read your mind. I can't read your mind, but your love got rules that change all the time. Why are you always halfway in? Got me drowning when I know I could swim. If you love me, baby, say it with your chest. Yeah, tired of the maybes, I just want a yes. Don't play me like a song on spin. If you ride for me, then ride to the end. Don't wanna love this paper thin, so why you always halfway in? You hit me up when the nights get slow, but then disappear when the highs get low. I ain't your maybe. Tell me what it is, 'cause I'm way too grown.
This is what we are having in this beach. I have shredded chicken, salad for both of us, 2 bowls, and coleslaw. This is some leftovers, samosas and chicken strips. Scoop and Coke, Diet Coke. That's it. That will be our light lunch. This is next morning. We are having breakfast in the hotel.
From the first moment I saw you, I knew I had to make you mine. Wanted to know everything about.
This is one of my favorite tools. Also, when I was in vacation, that saved my time because I do not wanted to go to shower to do my shaving. So this tool can be used when you are not in the shower, but it works very well.
You say you need your space, then pull me close. I read your silence, louder than most. One day you're warm, the next day you're cold. Got me second guessing what I already know. I give you love, but you ration yours, You open up just to close the door, I stay up late, trying to read your mind. I can't read your mind, but your love got rules that change all the time. Why are you always halfway in? Got me drowning when I know I could swim. If you love me, baby, say it with your chest. Yeah, tired of the maybes, I just want the yes. Don't play me like a song on the spin. If you ride for me, then ride to the end. Don't wanna love is paper thin, so why you always halfway in? You pick me up when the nights get slow, but then disappear when the highs get low. I ain't your maybe, tell me what it is, 'cause I'm way too grown to be messing with a love like this. I give you love, but you ration yours. You open up just to close the door. You stay closing doors. I stay up late, trying to read your mind. I can't read your mind, but your love for rules that change all the time. Changing all the time. Why are you always halfway in? Got me drowning when I know I could swim. If you love me, baby, say it with your chest. Yeah, tired of the maybes, I just want